Dear students, how are you? I think you are still very fine. I am also fine. As part of my classes, my topic was vocabulary and grammar in the headline of report writing. So today I am going to conduct another class on the vocabulary and special headlines used in the newspaper. So now let's go back to our class, but before going to start our class, I would like to advise you once again, please be ready with your pens and paper. Okay? Yes, let us go. Vocabulary in headline of report. Claim is the word. Claim means make a statement that something is true, especially when there may be disagreement. This means if you claim something, this may be true, but other